Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Whoa! Somebody help me! Beg you $10, $15 for go to search, you know? Somebody help me! Me need for God emergency! Me need some money for God emergency, the hospital! All me need is $100 help! Somebody, alright, me come take you to the hospital. The blood clot, miracles do happen. Beg you $100 still. Suck yourself, you damn teeth.
Hello? Where you come for? Can I come link you? Today on your day, look on the timetable. We just want to come check you, man. Check the timetable, I'm full of man like scripture, read it. It's a Monday for Matthew, Tuesday for Mark, Wednesday for Luke, Thursday for John, tomorrow your day and Saturday my day off. So I can't come for your peace. Peace of what? Bring piece of the red come outside. Tomorrow your day link me. And when you come carry food, cause I want can't beef my have left and I can't find the key.
Happy Valentine's Day to someone who's out there, but to someone who's not so happy, I know. Nah, no man, though. But I don't want to take my man. Only for take my man, but I'm there with Valentine's Day. Prince, say something to the people,
Yeah,
talk to them.
I don't want to say hello to nobody.
What?
Take that off for me. Yeah, I'm there with you, but I'm not getting a pussy. Might as well do this somewhere else.
Prince, I tell you, say, me can't fuck because me are the same person.
What?
Later, happy Valentine's Day.
Hey! Your free subscription done! Me say it done! No more porn a show out it! Me say no more porn!
Can't get a girl!
Me no blood clot business! Go get a pocket pussy or go find one blood clot plastic dolly! Big dirty waste man! A 300 video watch yesterday, you know. I want to come watch more video. What the blood clot, you bright youth!
People, this is a public service announcement. Do not watch no show with nothing that keeping up with there something that strange, nothing about no Johnson. No watch nothing with no Johnson. Right now, I'm done with every Johnson. I'm done with Dwayne the Rock Johnson. I'm done with all the lotion, Johnson and Johnson. I'm vexed with all my girl now because her last name is Johnson. Right now, everything but a Johnson just sick. Johnson just sick. Everything about every Johnson just a sickening. Nobody don't come to me about me. Must watch nothing with no Farmer Johnson again tonight. Come on now, what I do make me watch last night? I'm scared. Right now, every little youth when name Johnson, me I pray them. I'm afraid that every little boy name Johnson, I'm just scared. And if me scared, imagine them father. Jesus Christ! Right now, me I cut off all my family member them name Johnson. Any far cousin, near cousin, I'm done with every Johnson. I don't want to say nothing with no Johnson tonight. But what me really need to know is, how them money forget that to show up on the internet? How them shoot that?
Good morning, sir. Shut him on.
No, sir! Put it on! No! I'm serious, put it on! School just start. Bright and early in the morning. And you're on for things. No, sir! The under need to baptize in a bleach. I want to under do. Sand with JLP. And that's why it green, sir. No, sir! The people start bringing food of vote for Ando when it's election time. How are you calling? How are you calling, little boy? I go to arm your calling. I must get a play your calling. Cause it evergreen. No, sir. You arm me for baptizing a bleach and sanctify me some holy metal. No, sir. Come on, I class making money, boy. No, sir. This is a nice car.
Yeah, just buy it, you know. Big money popping in. Good hands like all state, all state.
I see.
Top money I rolling, not so my car at all nice. Yo, roll by movies, yo.
What the fuck? Nothing with my car. What the fuck my car doing over here?
I don't know ideas, move there. Quick while, yo. Enjoy yourself?
Yeah.
Hold on there. No, over the sofa park.
Yeah, do one.
So the car there. A ticket car?
Hey, what's up?
Girls, you don't own a ticket for the car?
I don't know tickets on my car. Why, what's up?
Supermarket, I'm come out of the supermarket and look for the car. I can't find the car, yo.
I have my car.
What do you mean you have the car?
I don't want to move it there, so I took it.
No, you can't. Oh, you have to see the car move it in the supermarket and park it.
You tell
Hold on there. Where you did I do a movie theater, by the way?
Same thing you do at the movie theater.
Oh my girl, later, no?
Tomorrow Valentine's Day, people. Alright? I mean, I say some woman out there, on a lazy, and a bill, can I say, on a man, buy the things and take it out for eat and them something. But you see, tomorrow, for the woman, them, a time for the fuck and prove themselves, Yeah, don't relax. You have to go give out the pussy. Make sure it's on the game, the fat pussy. You don't need to fuck like you don't want some credit and you want man top up on the thing. Fuck the man, make them know why they need to start fuck pounding, So I don't want a boring fucking Make sure when you fuck your man, and a boring fucking fuck the man on the driveway. Make sure you fucking on the car top, in the car back, in the car trunk. Don't fuck the man in the house. You see if your man look by you and tell you say you want fucking at the house, you just look by him and tell him say this. Tell him say yeah.
Take me outside, 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 take me outside.
Dog, man, it's 10 years now, I keep my birthday party, man. I never violate nobody, I never go on nobody date, and all of a sudden, two swap. Boy, I keep big popping party for my date like you want to flap my birthday party, dog.
You're a joker, everything can't reach me.
What do you mean?
When is that party?
Two swap, dog.
Two swap from a canasi.
Him same one.
Fat two swap.
Him same one.
Two swap a thief Lazara and set off our price. Two
Him same one, dog.
You're a joker, everything can't pay. It's not a papers.
So what we do about that?
Yes, that's from some people. You need to jump us on beer people. Call immigration.
You think we would have canceled him?
Brother, you know any fat man son? Dip again?
Yeah.
Him have to get dip again.
What? God! No! My party are gonna live!
Dinner, extra dinner. I know everybody get the dinner, some man need dinner, some man need extra dinner. I have some man who tell so the man yam the pussy like they not eat from morning, You get me I say? Careful. Well, yo frost, ya hear me? Me mouth not know what pussy feel. Me not tell you something if you never know, girl, your pussy is not a full course meal. No worry about me eat before me come here, nah. Me not hungry. Just take off your panty, me want fuck you, you bout to get this stiff cocky. Boy, you want me yam, you girl, you wanna bacon, mouth not know what pussy feel. Anytime you're hungry, me go a Dutch pot and order the large and steel. Suck with pussy and it cleaner than ever, not know what you say. Me no believe. No, you say you want sit down in my place, bump like you want say to me. Girl, me a tell you say, the girl say fi suck the pussy cat in a ram, but in a pussy cat if it ram. Me mother say anything right in up in yam. No, you want me nam the clappy sitting on a arm. Push.
But it just drop off winter my work and me I go upstairs. I'm a book her up on the elevator.
And then you offered to bring my groceries upstairs.
And we did bring the groceries upstairs. Ha! Bossy! Me say when me reach in our apartment, the clothes gone left, the groceries gone right. And when me start put on the pipe in us, hey, to put it this way, I tear up that lettuce. Me say me tear up the lettuce. You did find back the head of cabbage there? I don't think you did find it back. Remember say you couldn't even find your panty. Ask the nurse what she asked me panty for. Me fling that the panty for. Vibes cartel. If you never know. I mean, after that, we did a lot of copulating.
Every day.
And I lie, I miss them days there still.
Me too.
You remember that song, yeah? Baby, it's time. You remember that song, yeah? Baby. Hey! You remember it, no?
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanil Clark. Peace.